needing to sell your property quickly, but your property doesn't look like this? I'll share with you how to sell a house in as quick as 30 days or less. Typically, when someone wants to sell a house, this is the usual process. You hire a contractor and do repairs for at least $30,000 or more. You hire a real estate agent for at least $15,000 to cover both buyer and seller side. In 3 to 6 months, you close escrow with up to $50,000 in hidden fees, and then you finally collect your check. To sell your house for cash, I want you to know you don't need to repair the house. You can sell it as is. You shouldn't have to pay a real estate agent either, and you shouldn't have to pay closing costs, title fees, or any fees. Cash buyers can easily buy your house quickly if you want them to. Just click below to learn how. There's absolutely no obligation, no pressure, and you have nothing to lose. There is a simple questionnaire and it only takes 30 seconds. Click below to learn how. With Natural Property Solutions, there are absolutely no fees and no long wait periods to get paid. Let your equity give you speed